right in the center? Do I want to be in the center? Do I want to be? What's going on, YouTube? So, getting ready to head out here in a second to Virginia, up to Radford, and ride with Scotty Weiss. He's got some gravel picked out for us. I think we're gonna have to do a little bit of tarmac to get out of town before we get there, but this gravel loops around some mountains just north of Pulaski. We'll be on the road here shortly, and hopefully we'll have a really fun day. I think we're gonna be doing about 65-ish miles, about 5,500 feet of elevation. It's a little chilly. See, I'm bundled up, but yeah, hopefully it'll warm up a little bit. Hopefully it'll be a great day on the bike. Not exactly sure what Scotty has planned for us. I'm sure the route is going to be epic, and the gravel is going to be good. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and roll the intro. Where's Greg? Oh, where is that Greg? I don't see him yet. So far, so good. Some good gravel. Fun times. That's the way to do it, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm hoping we get lucky and get some tailwind through here. It looked like it switched right at the last minute. Yeah. Oh. Colored rock is starting to remind me of York.
Yeah.
Flashbacks.
the turtle trail, because yeah, I'm going slow.
And so you need this part off though, right? And I don't suggest to go through any of those big ones, because like I said, they're deep.
Yeah. It's a little chilly today.
A little chilly for a swim.
Right, yes. I didn't bring my swimming bibs with me.
The tri bibs.
The tri bibs, my Iron Man bibs.
Iron Man bibs.
Yeah.
It's like 3 miles down, 3 miles back. Do it. You do it.
Going to go check out a creepy dam. We'll see what this creepy dam looks like. That guy right there is extremely happy that I'm vegan. Ain't that right? Don't you think so, number 24? Oh, and his ear tag says 24, so this must be Jeff Gordon. I bet he's fast on the track. What do you think? What a day, let me tell you. I think we got there at 10 o'clock and finally got rolling at 11. Froze our butts off before we decided to roll, and we rolled. We ended up doing 77 miles, and I think I got close to 6,500 feet of elevation. So Scotty had this idea when we got to, I think it was Gatewood Campground in the Jefferson National Forest, to head down to the dam that creates the lake there that's at Gatewood Campground. So we decided to do a 3-mile trek down to that dam and then a 3-mile trek back up. So the dam was interesting. It was definitely kind of this World War II kind of almost looking like it's in ruins kind of thing. So now having that beer, and I want to thank Scotty for an awesome ride. I want to thank Greg as well, my partner in crime. All right, so you've made it this far. Go ahead, click the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Click like on this video. This will help other people find this video. Not sure where the next adventure is going to be. Not sure where it's going to take us. I guarantee you that whenever I have that adventure, I will be carrying the GoPros with me. Until next time, cheers. Also too, if someone can explain to me what an Ironman bike is. I mean, I've heard of a TT bike, time trial bike, but Ironman bike? I mean, is it red with some gold accent? Has this nice shiny orb right on the head tube or something? Who knows? And that's a wrap. All right, let's get this horse back in its stable.